Hi, my name is Darian Morazzo, and I am the Student Experiences Assistant with Into Suffolk. And I am going to help you schedule your vaccine appointment. So we will be using CVS to do so because there are CVSs all over Massachusetts. So no matter where you are located, you should be able to be within a walking distance of a CVS pharmacy. You can also use the Massachusetts government website to go through a different organization as well. You are going to want to go to cvs.com/immunizations, IMMUNIZATIONS/COVID-19-vaccine. Okay, so here is what the homepage is going to look like. You are going to want to hit schedule a COVID-19 vaccine. And the first thing what they will do is ask you a few questions. You should be used to these questions by now, but have you tested positive in the last 14 days? Have you been in close contact with anyone who tested positive? And do you currently have any symptoms of COVID-19? So for me, I am choosing no and hitting continue. For most of you, you are going to need to start your vaccine, which means you have not received a single dose of any vaccine. If you have received a first dose and you did not schedule a second dose appointment, you will go through a different process where you will click, I only need to schedule a second dose. But we are going to act as if we are starting from the very beginning. So I need to start vaccine. Continue. Your eligibility is where you are currently located. So you should all be choosing Massachusetts. And this is confirming that you are above the age to receive the vaccine. So by doing so, you will enter your birthday into this box and you will check the box that is confirming that you are telling the truth about your age. Confirm. Alrighty, this is just giving you some information on how the process will work. Start scheduling. Here you will type a zip code or a city and a state. So whatever zip code you are located in, it will show the closest CVS to that zip code, or you could do something as broad as Boston, Massachusetts. So I will use Boston, Mass as our example, and you hit this search button here. It will ask you which date you would like to look for an appointment. So it should give you the next about a week and a half to 2 weeks. So whatever day that you have the most availability, so we'll look for, let's say, Friday, and it will show you the closest places that you have to that location that you entered. And there you are able to see the available times that are at that specific location for that specific date. It will also let you know which type of vaccine you are signing up for. So this one has Pfizer, the one on Summer Street has Moderna. So I'm going to choose the one on Hanover Street, and Friday at 9 a.m. works for me. So you will highlight that time and you will hit continue scheduling. If you would like to see more locations, there is that option down below. CVS also requires that you schedule your second dose while you are scheduling your first dose. So it will automatically choose the most appropriate date for your second dose based off of the time frame for CDC for which specific vaccine you are receiving. So it will give me Friday, June 11th, and the same location, 9 a.m. Continue scheduling. All right, now you just need to enter your patient information. So your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your gender, your address, and your contact information. And if you miss something, they will have you go back and not let you continue. Okay, this is your insurance information. So for most of you, if you are a student within Suffolk, you will have health insurance through Suffolk University, which is not Medicare insurance. Medicare is specific to government assisting insurance. So you want to check off that I have only non-Medicare insurance. Then it will ask you if you have medical insurance. If you do, you click yes. And do you have prescription insurance? Yes. Now you're going to provide your medical insurance details. So you should have received a card from Blue Cross Blue Shield with your medical insurance information. If you do not have that, you can contact our department at into@suffolk.edu, but you can also contact the insurance company and they can provide that information for you. So there should be, if you start typing, a way to choose one of the options. You enter your member ID in here. Your group ID is optional, and you will click that it is yourself that this insurance is under. If you're able to, they would like a picture of the front and back of your card. So if you take a picture and you are signing up on your phone, you can automatically upload it from your phone library, or you can email it to yourself if you are completing this on a computer and upload it that way. You also have the option of skipping this step and not adding a picture and just hitting continue scheduling. So this is for the prescription insurance. Again, you can skip this, fill out your information. So now you need to prepare for your visit. So this is basically asking about your reactions to previous medications. So any allergic reactions to previous medications, any reactions after a COVID-19 vaccine, any allergic reactions to a different vaccine, allergic reactions to specific medications. So answer this to the best of your ability. If you do not know, they allow you to choose that option. So go through your medical history and hit continue scheduling. This is for your race information, which you can answer, but then you are also able to choose whether or not you want this information shared. So if you do not agree to having this information shared, you can click no. All right, so because I signed up for Pfizer with that specific CVS, it now has us review the Pfizer information. So you can download this patient fact sheet. It will provide the side effects, the risks, and more information. Once you go through that, you can hit continue scheduling. And this is consent for you to receive the vaccine. Financial responsibility, disclosure of records. You want to click this box after you've read through and fully agree with the terms that they are providing and hit I consent. And then you are confirmed. So it seems like a lot of steps, but it's pretty easy. Once you get to this page, it'll break down all of the information for you. So it'll provide your first dose information, your second dose information, where it is located, directions on how to get there, the ability to add it to your calendar for a reminder, and it also provides some next steps and action items. So please make sure that you are constantly checking your email because updates will be sent to the email you provided when registering for the vaccine. And if you have any issues or questions, that email provides contact information, and you can also reach out to the Student Experiences team and we can walk you through anything that you have. And so that is it. And so good luck. And I am glad that you are getting your COVID-19 vaccine. Thank you.